Howdy, I chose the biofuel Biohydrogen, and my report is called Biohydrogen, the Next Generation of Clean Energy. So how is biohydrogen produced? It is commercially produced as an advanced biofuel. It is able to meet the energy demands from resources like splitting of water molecules, conversion of biomass, and the thermal splitting of water. Its efficiency makes it to be one of the best biofuels considerably. It works by converting living microorganisms into hydrogen via processes like fermentation and photolysis. This is done by being used in a bioreactor that is specialized for the process. In short, the biological conversion of hydrogen to biohydrogen and is done with the help of microorganisms, making it a renewable energy source. And then this picture is just the picture of a life cycle of biohydrogen, and the information on this slide is from this link. So more on the biohydrogen production, or BHP. Hydrogen is a clean fuel because when used in combustion, it releases water vapor as a byproduct. People have found that using it via biological processes such as fermentation, darken photo, and photolysis, which gives it ideal parameters for operation. With these processes, it produces biohydrogen from organic acids. According to the Royal Society of Chemistry, BHP uses renewable feedstocks such as agricultural waste and wastewater, creating a sustainable, low-emission hydrogen source. For BHP, you need hydrogen, and it has been found that the best way to synthesize it is with steam reforming of methane, and the fermentation assists with creating hydrogen. This allows it to be affordable as well as helps to increase the hydrogen yields for the production and systems. Currently, BHP is not widely available, but over the next years, it is expected that it should improve in efficiency through scientific breakthroughs and economic factors. And then the information on this page is found from this website along with this picture. So the impact on the carbon and economic footprint. I found a report done by Columbia SIPA Center on Global Energy Policy on the potential role of biohydrogen in creating a net zero world. In this report, they discuss how hydrogen could be strongly carbon negative. This could happen if made from waste, biomass, and supervised life cycle emissions. The same report also shares that it can be intriguing from an economic standpoint. This is possible under ideal conditions such as cheap biomass, waste, proximity to biomass, maturity of gasification, and CCS tech. It has a unique value that relies on the carbon removal potential as well as hydrogen fuel. Communication and my opinion on its production. It has been communicated to the public through new scientific reports, research, education programs, and advocacy efforts. My thoughts on it is that the use of biohydrogen appears to be a decent source of biofuel, and because of its efficiency, although it works better under certain circumstances that may not be easy to get access to. Research and technology is constantly improving, which leads me to believe that we'll find better, cost-friendly, and easily accessible accommodations to support BHP. My plan, if funding wasn't an issue, would be to start up research programs to increase efficiency of its use and effects on the climate. Improve the technology, and to also improve the technology so that we're able to test it in the real world without basing it off models. And then these are just my citations. Thank you.